hot coffee, a little bit too hot. Hi everybody. So we are starting the little mini series on flipping for profit. Flipping, buying and selling homes for profit. One of the best ways to really ramp up your income and profit in real estate. However, I do say, if this is new for you, start small, start with properties that need less of huge construction and taking out walls. Start with more the cosmetic type of changes to buy and sell. That way you can get your feet wet, you can start feeling how this works for you or doesn't. And of course, the number one, 2 and 3, I would almost say, top ways to flip a property and make the biggest difference is where the biggest money pit is in people's minds, because it's such a hack to change when you've bought a property, and that is bathrooms and kitchen. Highest impact, and of course it does take usually the most money. But if you're smart, you do not have to spend a huge amount of money to get such big impact. And some of the things you can do if you're buying a home that really needs cosmetic changes, especially bathrooms, kitchens, walls, flooring, I would consider looking at, for example, if you're looking at a kitchen, what are the changes you can make that have such a big impact that will give you the highest returns? Well, number one is paint. Paint, flooring, quick, easy. You can do all of these changes in 2 days. Take your cupboards, either paint them, put new handles on. But sometimes just opening up a space in terms of less cupboards from an old-fashioned U shape into a new age, more spacious feeling L shape with a table in, and of course splashbacks. Pop it with color and pop it with colorful splashbacks, lime greens and mint greens and reds or oranges. Yellow works well in a kitchen as well. And then add beautiful countertops. These are just order on the go. Phone your local hardware. You give them the size. You pick it up or they deliver. And in one day you have new countertops. So your countertops, your splashbacks, your wall color and your flooring. And finish it off with some beautiful plants. For example, I've seen this company, Mother City Jungle. Oh my word, wonderful indoor plants you can use that really show off a space beautifully and add a little bit of something. Green works well with anything. And pop this with some new door handles and of course some potentially beautiful hanging lights or even hanging plants from the same company, Mother City Jungle. Just amazing, beautiful plants. And this way, tying everything together to a new beautiful kitchen that didn't cost you the earth. Happy investing, happy flipping.